welcome back to my channel. Today video is chocolate festival. Oh, look at this place full of chocolate. Delicious. Wow.
Put it in your mouth.
Pumpkin flour.
Coffee.
Chocolate. Yum, yum, yum.
Is that yummy, Lewis?
Lucy and Christmas Eve. Wow! Spinning round and round. It is awesome.
Yeah, it's a chocolate factory.
I love
What is
my
this
daddy.
place? What's it called?
My daddy
No,
explained
chocolate factory.
about chocolate factory. Let's go over there. Ooh. All sizes of chocolate. Strawberry chocolate. Colorful. Yum, yum, yum. Wow. I see big chocolate. Full chocolate. They look delicious.
One of Daddy.
Daddy found his perfect cup. Silly Daddy.
Are you showing Mummy your teeth? Like this. Look at me. Look at me. Look, like this. Is he doing it?
After long day, we could eat ice cream. That was delicious. Yum. Ooh, Daddy loves chocolate fountain. Jim, say Dada. We love adventure. Thank you for watching. Please